Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. Today was a loss day, guys. Big loss day, that too, because of the gap up. Not in swing trading, but in index. That is, Bank Nifty hit her good stop loss, almost of 300 points of stop loss we gave, which is totally fine. Happens because we capture also the bigger points. So, okay, let's analyze tomorrow's market and see what happens. Okay. So if you guys see, this is the fresh levels, guys. This is the fresh levels. Okay, so this is a support in 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and this is acting as a resistance for now. Okay, this is acting as a resistance for now. So tomorrow, what will I do and what is my plan? And if you guys see, there is a lot of, this is a big gap, guys. This is, see from where, let's keep it from here to here, almost 125 points of a gap up. It is a good gap up. Okay, it's a good gap up. Tomorrow again, if it gaps up, then I'm definitely going only for long trades, because that is how bullish market works. Okay, bullish market, you can't catch it just like that. It will just gap up. If you guys see, gap up, and then profit booking, and this, we were expecting this to be sideways, but it gapped up. Okay, this is totally fine. So tomorrow, if I get a price of 21,220, I'll be buying it. Okay, that's it. And or if I get a price of 21,120, I'll be buying it. These are the two levels for me for now. Tomorrow, there's no more trades. That's it. This is the vision for tomorrow. Let's see how this works. Then Bank Nifty, we had a good profit here on to 5, went up, then this boom, which is bad. This is actually bad, but it's fine. This happens. This is how market works, and we know about this. Okay, so if you guys see, this is the high. From this high, it has taken a support, which is really good, and this is the recent high. This is today's high. Okay, because if you guys see, this can also act as a trend line. Okay, can also act as a trend line, but let's be very clear on trading. That is, if it crosses 47,960 and above, we'll be looking forward to buy, and our stop loss will be some 50-60 points. Okay, we are not selling anything for now until unless we have a proper price action. We're not selling it. Or if I get a price of 47,600, I'll be buying it. These are the two levels for tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, next is US oil. What happened? This breakdown, I thought it is a very solid breakdown, and I shorted it here, but it hit my stop loss. If you guys see this breakdown, I thought it's a good breakdown, and I shorted it here, but I still got hit, and it is my fault because from morning market is market is on buying side, and I'm selling it, which is really my fault. Now we have entered this long position because our key level has been crossed, so we have entered here, and my stop loss is this. So I'm expecting a 1:3 trade. Okay, 1:3 trade. These pullbacks are happening. It's just 850, so I'm gonna hold this till 11:45 something in the market. I'm gonna bring this to cost now. So US oil is kind of on a mid place now. Okay, if it crosses $72, then I'm definitely aggressively going long, guys. Okay, and I did see this trend line. In 1 hour time frame. This was a very good trend line, and the trend line got broken and it started going up. I did not enter here is because my key level was also here, and market was also negative. I thought this was a pullback, so I did not enter. So you always can't be very sure about market. Okay, you have to adapt. You have to work according to its way, and you have to trade on its direction. You cannot just anticipate, or you can't just predict and trade. Okay, prediction doesn't work in market. Only price action works. So you have to see what price is doing. Okay, if you guys see from 14, it's a very slow process. Okay, it did not go rapidly up. It's a slow process. But if you guys see here and all, there is a rapid down. Okay, these are all big play momentums. Okay, so these were kind of scaring me, so I did not enter buy for a very long time. But here, because the key level was broken, that was the only reason I entered it. If I will go long without any doubt, that is post 72 and 95. Okay, so next I'll be adding position to this only post 72 and $95. That is $72.95. I'll be adding more. Okay, so next is gold. SL got hit horribly today. Okay, this was the SL hit, but it was actually not a SL hit, to be honest. I had my trailing stop losses here, so my trailing stop losses got hit here, which is totally fine. That is 1996 is where my trailing stop loss got hit, which is totally fine. Tomorrow what am I going to do? So let me analyze it properly. This is the price action as of now. So there is a resistance here. Okay, if this resistance is broken, we can definitely look forward for a long trade. Okay, and this is a, just a minute, yeah, this is a good support. This is a good support, and here in 1 hour time frame we can definitely see a trend line too. Let's go to 4 hour and see. Yeah, in 4 hour time frame we can definitely see a trend line too. That is from here to here. This is a trend line. There are two touches. Yesterday it would have been like this. Yeah, yesterday it would have been like that. People would have shorted it here aggressively, but SL got hit. Totally fine. Tomorrow this is going to be the trade, or anytime when we get the price of 2060, we are gonna buy it and we're gonna hold it till 1:2. Okay, let the market decide its proper direction, then we'll decide which side to go. Okay, so this is, then we have 6 stocks for swing trading. First one is Engineering India on a weekly time frame. Okay, so this is this recent I think this is the recent high and it's breached it. Tomorrow if I get a price of 165 or 167, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy it, and my stop loss will be 156 rupees. Okay, the target I don't know. Let's see, wherever the market takes us, we will go till there. That is the first target is going to be 250. Okay, then we'll see how it goes, because it is on a good uptrend now. Okay, so if you guys see, this is almost 2000 days of consolidation. Yes, 2079 days of consolidation. After that, it's giving a breakout. Definitely I'm looking forward to buy this. This is going to be in my portfolio. Okay, so next one is Trigen Technology. Trigen Technologies also is trying to break its recent all-time high. Okay, so it did. Tomorrow what will happen is most probably we can expect one negative candle, and after that it will go, or if it starts coming down, this kind of a price action might happen. Okay, this kind of price action might happen easily, and then wherever it squeezes, we will definitely, it can go this way or it can go the opposite way. Okay, that totally depends on the market. It can go this way or it can go this way. That totally depends on the market. So let's see, if this trade, if we execute this trade and our SL gets hit, it's totally fine. That is tomorrow if we get a price of 145 to 140, we will enter it. That is, I will enter it, and 133 will be my stop loss. And if it hits stop loss, it's totally fine. I'll wait for it to give a proper breakout, then I will trade. Next one is SBFC. An IPO got launched, and this is a very good consolidation. After this consolidation accumulation, it's forming a VCP pattern. So basically this is a VCP pattern. I will show you guys. The highs are getting shifted up, if you guys see, and the lows and highs will get shifted up. That is how a VCP pattern is formed, and this is broken now. If it breaks 97 rupees, you can enter. That is for the risk-free players. If people are ready to take risk, basically like people like me, I will enter here. That is at 93 rupees. I will enter and I will hold it. Okay, so this is a very good pattern. This kind of a pattern is what anybody should be looking forward to. These patterns work where many people don't even tell you what are all these. I will teach you guys this in the future videos. Okay, so next is Excite India. We entered at 21st of November and we are still holding it. So tomorrow, if it crosses, not tomorrow or any coming days, if it crosses 300 rupees and if it goes to 305 rupees, I'll be adding more position to this. So keep this in your watch list, which is easy. Jubilant Foodwork, we entered at exactly at 560 rupees. It is again, it has consolidated nicely and given a breakout. Tomorrow if I get a price of 360 again or 370 also, I'll be buying more. I'll be adding more position to it, and I'll be holding it till 619. That is, tomorrow if it gives a price of 560, 560, yeah, 560 to 560 to 570, I'll be buying it and I'll be holding it till 619. Okay, so that's Jubilant. Next is Sun TV Network. This was the recent high, okay, which was in downtrend. Now it isn't broken. Okay, if you guys see, this is a trend. This is a slow trend. I usually don't trade media a lot because it fluctuates a lot. That's why I don't trade media, but it's fine. This is breaking its highs. That is why I'm ready to purchase it. So tomorrow if I get a price of 700, that is 680 to 700. I'll be looking forward to purchase this, and my stop loss will be at 650. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys got some information in this video. If you guys like my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Giving losses in the market is a part of the business. It's totally fine. This is how it works. Every business has its losses. Please keep it in mind, but your only concern should be keeping that losses small. That's it. So that's the tip for the day. Thank you so much. Please take care. Bye bye.